Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, it's me FlyLady Kat and I'm giving you the Patreon in review for the past week, letting you know the titles of the videos that I made just for you. Again, remember, Patreon is a channel that you can put right on your phone as an app or you can have it on your computer. It's $5 a month to have, that's my price for mine. There are others on there for other people that you may choose, artists and creators who are there for you, but for me, my charge is only $5 a month, and that gives you 20 videos, 5 a week in general. And so here's what they are. If you're a patron and you haven't watched this week, pop over and give them a look. If you're not a patron, consider becoming one. You know, when I'm doing these videos, I'm talking just to you, and I think it's different than being live. Live is great, and I enjoy it very much, but this is something where you can look at the video and then put a question at the bottom. I'll be happy to answer you. It's more akin to personal mentoring. It's not personal mentoring, but it's as close as you can get. All right, so the first thing is, don't make it complicated. That's the first one. The second one is planner specifics. The third one is healthy daily goals for the new year. The fourth one was detailed paper organization. And the fifth one was changing our mind, and that's a refresher video. Occasionally I'll put a refresher video out. But it was, again, all of these were requests, and so I made them specifically, and that's the other thing on Patreon that you can do. As a patron, you can request that I make a video for you, and if it's not about budgets and it has to do with FlyLady, I more than likely will. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.